Center Dengki Mo Pam Zonal Karbi Youth Festival along Kipir ki thak lapen ke soy kira da hormuk ke jor ke lan. Hawar Karbi Rasunim so arong je kibi pen Karbi KC jutang isi pa biota ke mekiban. Jutang Parman Suri Risuma okorjang hempen jutang along klaman na keban. Zonal Karbi Youth Festival ke cheng pen ki jot arni an mesen pen ki pachun pon thega pon KPLT kachap kang tona tum pen kachuru. Kardom Adaba biota long penili Villarban Krupi non biotang ton pen archek tha. Phuloni MSC constituency ke parlo center Dengki Mo Pam Zonal Karbi Youth Festival along. Methang ripen ke pher ke thak la pen ke soy kerada hormu ke jor kilan ke padu pon biota. Preni phai crazer ke ani pherang ke pen katin sosa hemalong biota nang pali. Difu Matipung Boakata Samabai Samiti Limited Pen Kachipatir Piponalong Development Commissioner Handicraft Ministry of Textiles New Delhi Government of India Tumakira Pen Center Dengki Mo Pam Zonal Karbi Youth Festival along Methangri Pen ki phir ke thakla pen ke soy keda hormu ke jor ke landun Phuloni constituency Zonal Karbi Youth Festival along self-help group Hum Thom ke batum pen ke jor ke lana sai padutun Phuloni constituency IMAC Dorsing Ronghang pen achor Sabina Teron Pipen Kilang Dam Padu Lapen methanga pindeng sumpot ke jorkilan ki isi mesanang theklo busi Phuloni MSC Dorsing Ronghang lapen achor Sabina Teron Piatum self help group atuma phan akeru alam thei pajir teka Karbi Chutang Jupat Asong Mate Karbi Cultural Society Hawara Mai Pen Karbi Chutang ke Pangchu Kerai Komla Pen Sumendara Dang ki pajathang che phanpura pining ingkora chokang deng Hawar Karbi Rusunim so aronje angbong talondu Hawar tina long ke padu Hawar Karbi Rusunim so aronje along suri arat hempen misutia son chejengsi methang aronje along klamalong palirinti Karbi Chutang Jupat Asong Hempi Pen Birta Kilong Atengke pining long ingkora hini adim Karbi Chutang arong je padu lo ingkore hinyadim amen lapuson henlo Omri Chinthong Othat Langso Dongka Jengkha Hamren Jirikindeng Denarong Tikelangjun Langlokso Hawar ke hat Phuloni Langpher Singhason Difumanja Borja Nihangrod Suri Nilip Dwarbaguri Angjok Haspani Socheng Thenta Parkup Pahar Socheng Thenta Lapen Rongmongwe Nilituma Pherangkia tupen Adima Longpen Kat Nisalong Birtanang Kilo Lang Ikha Difuma Jahawara Mai Pen Upper Dilaji Siru Mo Klamalong Lama Kang Thurpensi Hawar Karbi Rusurim Sorong J Pangcheng Nihangdon Suri Hawara Mai Pen Japalang Swalong Hawar Karbi Rusunim Sorong Jalong Karbi Lun Kanbari Maphan Ardi Pidamsi Karbi Chutang Aporong Ingthurdam Othat Langso Seradi Huna Klam Kheroni Dongka Muka Hai Huyalong Kipadu Hawar Karbi Rusunim So Arongaje along Suri Ajutang Kaching Hona Rache Tongdun Honsuria Tum Karbi Ajutang Kachipate Paklangpon Jutang Arongaje Kilang Aradphan Aning Parongpon Namalam Sopor Panbir Tamo Intermonik Sina. Kopili Family Restaurant, a fine dining restaurant, the most flavorable and exciting meals made with passion. Ethnic cuisine like Indian tandoori, Chinese, Pan-Asian and Karbi kitchen. Special food items like seafood dishes, fish and prawns are served. Pork special like barbecue pork spare ribs and Northeast-style pork curry. Wait! Not only this, Durga Puja special buffet starts from 17th and valid till 19th of October 2018. Also, the restaurant does catering order for parties, events, wedding, etc. It also offers free home delivery services. distance and minimum order. Within 2 kilometers, rupees 500, 2 to 5 kilometers, 700, and 7 to 10 kilometers, rupees 2,500. For queries and services, contact at 6901312934 or 6901312930. Kopili Family Restaurant, 4th floor, HR Estate Complex, Dharamnala Road, Diffu, near Bazar, India. Big sale! Up to 20% off on baby wear, 5% off on grocery items and 6% off on beauty and personal care. Also special Durga Puja offer on ladies and gents wear. To avail this opportunity, step in Saraswati Superstore right now. Home delivery services are available within 3 kilometers radius of Diffu. For more details and services, please contact at 7024-56806 or 9957-537019. Saraswati Superstore, MS Hans Enterprise, near Mamta Pharmacy, Diffu Main Market. Hurry up, hurry up! Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors, opposite of DIG Bungalow, Diffu Manje Road, Karbi Anglong, Diffu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101147818. J&J Amandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups, and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435-925-116. J&J Amandu, Diffu, Karbi Anglong, Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesire alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Diffu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dinamo Pipotat Biotalong Wangtulo. Zonal Karbi Youth Festival ke Chengpen ke Jut Arni an Mesen Pen ke Paman Pon Thega Pot ke PLT Kachap Kang Tona Tumpen Kachuro Lam The ke Pajir Pona Biota Preni Pai Chriser ke Arni Kat News Salong Biota Nang Pali. Zonal Karbi Youth Festival ke Chengpen ke Jut An Stami Mesen Pen ke Pachun Pon Thega Pot ke PLT Kachap Kang Ton PRO Kison Rong Pi Mate Singhason Han Sepen Karbi Anglong Pen West Karbi Anglong Ang Kang Zonal Karbi Youth Festival ke Paman Pon Azonal Tinat Mapanta Kachuro Lam The ke Pajir Anparta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at CEM, EM Lapen MSC Tuman Sutami, Mithanga Karbi Chutang Jubat ke Paman Ponalong Kachirap Kachito, Dun Thega Pot Kachuro Alam The ke Pajira Birta Ripton Long. Durga me Piapan Langroy Long Jok Damsi, Nipli Durga Puja Katalona Jamek Pajut Pontanglo. Ningkreng Hut ke Padu, Durga Puja, Prekrist Kep Arni, Langroy Long Durga Nam Piamipi, Jok Damsi, Karbi Anglong Long Ta, Durga Puja Pajut Pontanglo. Jasthami, Mahasaptami, Maha Asthami Lapen, Mahanawami Padoderati, Dasami Arni, Matiki Jut Arni, Durga Nam Piapan Langroy Long, Jok Dam Lapen, Hirjume Chuhang Pen, Chipagipon. Durga Nam Piapan ke Kroyarat Kaning Jatinki, Durga Puja Ang Thek Lake, Kahing Nopan ke Parem Lapen, ke Miapan Karchu. Difrong Sepialong ke Doana Durga, Amurti, Apan Difra Langroy Long, Jok Dam Siningkan Esek Puja, Pajut Ponlo. Birta bang kila pans kang tan poniklo dumi thagme korang thu.